This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Schmidt. Discover this Beechwood floorplan with dual master bedrooms. Nestled on a lake lot with coveted southern exposure, this charming home is perfect for young professionals or families. The well-appointed kitchen boasts granite countertops, oversized 42 cabinets, and stainless steel appliances, making it both functional and stylish. The space opens up to a large living room area that is perfect for entertaining. Located in the desirable Cordera community, you'll be just minutes away from the vibrant shopping, dining, and entertainment options at Coconut Point Outdoor Mall and Miromar Outlets. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity. Schedule your private showing today before it's gone. For more information, review the details below.